What is up, you guys? Welcome back for another video, and today's video I will be showing you how I curl my hair. So yeah, if you want to know how I curl my hair, then please keep watching. Okay, so before we get started, I will be brushing out my hair, and this is the wet brush. I love this brush. So when you get out of the shower, it works really good. Like, even for little girls, I really recommend it. Like, if your daughter has like really bad hair, this brush will work, especially for curly hair. And my hair's so long. So I'm not wearing hair extensions. I normally do wear hair extensions. I won't be for this video, but if you like to see a video on how I put my hair extensions, then leave your comments down below or like the video to let me know that you guys would like a video on that. I will be taking the Kendra Volumizing Dry Shampoo, and I love this stuff. This stuff is so good. Like, it gives you that volume that you really need. Now, this would not be like an everyday thing that I would use if you don't want that volume, because the next day you will wake up looking like a lion. So that's something that I do recommend. Like, if you're not into like the volume as an everyday look, then I wouldn't recommend this for you. Other than that, I really like it, and yeah, so I will be spraying that all over my, just the roots, just because I really want that volume, you know, and it just already gives you that volume that you need. But yeah, so moving on, for the curling iron that I have, this is the New Me. I'm not sure what it's called, but it does come like this, and it has like different sizes of the wands that you're able to use. If I can find the curling iron, I will list it down below. And yeah, anyway, so as I was saying, these are the sizes that it comes with. And it also comes with a glove and everything. And then that size, and then also it comes with this one, and I believe it also has a smaller one, or a thinner one, I guess you can say. So there's that one as well. For today I will be using the thick one, actually this thick one. Since I really want loose waves, I will be using the thicker one. And yeah, so you just put it in like that, and it's really travel friendly. I like to take this with me because it just has like the different sizes, whatever you want to do, and it's just perfect. So that's that. And I kind of lost my part, so I will be parting my hair again down the middle. Okay, so taking my hair clip, I will be starting off. So I'm just gonna part my hair like that. I'm just gonna start off with this much, and I don't have that much hair either, so I guess it just, yeah. Okay, so I'm just taking my curling iron, and I'm just gonna start off with a little bit. I don't want the curls to be so tight. And I'm just gonna leave a little out as well. And I hope that you guys can see that, but I'm just taking a little bit of hair at a time, and you can see the curl right there. And then I'm taking this side as well. As you can see, I don't have that much hair. Okay, so I'm just going to take the other part of my hair right here, just this section right there. And then taking my hair clip and then just parting my hair off again. Now that my hair is curled and everything, I will be taking the Spray and Play Harder. This is by Sexy Hair, and I love using this hairspray. So I'm just gonna spray that. Okay. And then next, I will be taking the Way, I believe that's how you say it, Way Texturizing Hairspray. And this is just for texture. The other hairspray is only like to have that hold on the hair. So I'm just going to take this and kind of mess with it as well. And then I will be taking my teasing comb. I got this at Sally's. Honestly, it's like, you can get it anywhere. But I got mine at Sally's. And then I'm just going to be back combing my hair a little. And just I know I look like the bruja from the 61, but trust me when I tell you, it is not gonna look like that, girl. And then I also will be taking this comb. They also sell this at Sally's. And then just kind of like I just really like that messy curl look. And since I have a little bit of hair, I have to always do this just because, like, I don't have that much hair. You can't really do much with my hair. And then I also will be kind of bringing that down a little. And I love a lot of volume. So that's pretty much what my curls look like now. That's pretty much what I have going on. So I just like a lot of volume, but also I do like to use this powder play. This is by Sexy Hair also, and I just kind of like put it there, and it just gives it that volume, you see? Like, you don't need anything else. It just gives it that volume that you need right there. I wouldn't put a lot though, because it does make your hair feel dirty, and especially if it's like your first day that you wash your hair, then it's definitely gonna feel really dirty for you. So, alright you guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!